I'm taking LiangLiang for a walk now, and I just face eye to eye with an animal. Hey everybody, we just parked at our campsite. Today we are at a lake, still in Northern California. We are going to find the swimming area. This lake, today's condition is green for blue algae, which means I can go swimming there. We have a big campsite today, no neighbors. It's only 4:20 right now, so we're going to drive over to take a dip in the lake and then come back, wash up, and cook dinner. Welcome to our YOLO Life series, episode 9. I have a very easy skirt on. I have the swimming suit under, so we are ready for the lake. So here is a swimming area. It's getting really cold. Okay, am I ready to dive in? Am I ready? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Should we? One. Would I do it? Oh my god. One. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay. Let me think. Okay, no thinking right now. Just do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I can stand. That's the beach. We came down, and there's my camera. There is a rescue helicopter. Interesting. I was just swimming here. Wow, it is cold. Okay, another dip, and then we go back to the van. I'm back at the van. My ear is freezing cold. I need to rinse myself first. I already washed these with fresh water since it was in the lake. The sun is setting. We're gonna make some simple dinner tonight. This is what we're cooking today. It's supposed to be a spicy, thick, fat noodle. Also some pre-cooked meat that we're going to stir together, and it will become this oily, spicy, thick noodle blend. I'm really looking forward to it. Especially after the swim today. I'm so tired. I see there's little bugs or mosquitoes coming out. I have the noodle pack. This is the chili oil that I'm looking forward to, dry vegetable package, and vinegar. Your noodle is almost ready. And if you hear the background noise, that's me. I'm watching Bridgerton, the 3rd season. And I'm only on episode 4. Looks like I've got visitors. How cute. They just hang out by the campsite. I'm gonna throw in the cucumber and a little bit of garlic. Let's put in all the seasonings. I really like this seasoning, so I'm squeezing every bit of it out. Looks so good. Smells so good too. I smell the sesame oil, sesame chili oil. Okay, I have this dish now, and I'm going to warm up the meat. Wow. 赞。This is a simple dish. I have vegetable, carbs, and I have meat. I have all the nutrients I need. I'm gonna watch my TV while I eat and enjoy the ultimate camping experience. Hey y'all! I finished dinner and I'm going to wash the dishes now and take LiangLiang out for a walk. It's 9:30, so we should go out soon before it gets too cold. Yes, even if it's in the Central Valley, it still gets pretty cold for me in the evening. Let me put my chocolate away before it attracts any pest. I have a whole lot of Ziploc bag in my van. I watched so many RV videos where they have like rats or mice that got into their car or their space, and I'm so scared about it. So I'm doing all the preventative action. I'm taking LiangLiang for a walk now, and I just face eye to eye with an animal in the campsite. I can hear this animal to my right. I think it's a deer, but having my flashlight flash at it and see the actual eyeball is the first time. It's exciting, and luckily it's a bear. Sorry, no, luckily it's a deer, not a bear. I wanted to show you guys these cabins that I saw in the campground. They look so cute. Oh, and there is something walking there. Do you see it's walking? That's probably a deer. Oh, look at this cute campsite. He has the lights I like hanging out there. We are back at our van. I hope all the eye contact with all the animals I made tonight are all deers. LiangLiang just had his dinner, and now he's contemplating if he wants to eat that carrot. LiangLiang should carrot. We just got back from the walk, and LiangLiang had some dinner. So for the rest of the evening, I'm just gonna keep watching the Bridgerton. I watched the part where Colin and Penelope, they are in the carriage, and I'm gonna sign off for the night. And tomorrow has a lot planned. We're going to go kayaking. I bought a kayak, an inflatable kayak, using the gym benefit from my past company, and I never used it. It's been 4 months. So tomorrow will be the first time I'm going to, or my husband is going to inflate it. He's going to come and visit me tomorrow. And also another friend that you saw in a previous video, Lisa, she's also coming. That's the big plan tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow morning, we're just gonna chill out here in the mountain. Let's see if we can see those animals that I saw eye to eye tonight. Hopefully they're deers. I think they're deers. The worst case is coyote. I'm going to make a kimchi fried onion and sausage for lunch tomorrow with rice cake. I'm looking forward to it. Good night, everyone. See you in the morning. There is a bunch of turkey just standing there. I don't want to scare them, but they're looking at me. It's just so funny.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair